Hello, dear Capricorn. How are you doing? This is Falguni, and I'm here to do your monthly reading, and this will be for the month of January. And of course, this is for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please check your placements before watching the reading. It will not resonate with all of you because it is a general reading. So, if your message does not lie in this reading, it might be in some other placement of yours. So, please, it's important to watch to check your placements before you start watching the readings. Okay, if you want to book a personal reading with me, you may reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below. All right. The roles might get reversed at any point of time, so take it how it resonates with you. Alright, let's begin and see what is coming towards you in love, Capricorn. What is coming towards you in love for the month of January? What is coming towards you in love for the month of January? Capricorn, let's find out what is coming towards you in love for the month of January. Alright, let's see. So in January, you have someone very stable, King of Pentacles and the Six of Wands. Someone very stable that is coming towards you. Okay, and this person is highly interested in you. They will just want to make the move. Okay, but I see you being a little blocked off. I see you being in two minds about this. I don't know why. I feel that. Why is the Six of Wands here? Let's clarify the Six of Wands. Let's clarify the Six of Wands. Okay. Okay. So this will be very sudden that they come towards you. It's going to happen when basically they are having a nightmare sort of thing. They are having a change of something in their life is majorly drastically changing. That is when they will come towards you for a new beginning. Either it's with you only that they're experiencing this major life changing shift that they're experiencing with you. Either it's with you only, and that's why they are just going through this kind of energy wherein they'll just give in to you. They want a new start with you, fresh beginning with you. After a big kind of sudden fall apart, their world has fallen apart in some way. It's maybe with you only, and now they want a fresh start with you because this is like weighing them down, burdening them big time. This person is very stable, I mean, very reliable also. Okay, grounded, very good in their energy, has the money. Yes, let's see what is the what will be the energy of the person on your mind. If I have to ask specifically, this might also be the person you know for whom I have just pulled the cards. Now I'll specifically ask for the person on your mind. Okay, Cappies, let's see. Okay, your person is very much in love, very highly emotional, King of Cups and the Two of Wands. But this person cannot decide. This person has decision. I mean, they are they have decision making issues. I mean, they don't know how to make decisions. They are not that confident when making any decision. They have that inability to make a decision. I don't know how else to put it across, but they have that inability to make decisions, and that's why they are choosing. They're very optimistic about the things with you, but still, I don't know why they are in two minds. I mean, why are they not able to decide? They're like exploring the field. It's more like exploring the field. They're not sure yet, not certain yet. Okay, it's because Four of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles. So basically, they are not sure if you will fit into their family or if you are marriage worthy, if it has long term potential, if it has longevity. They're not sure about this, though they love you very much. but they don't know if you will, your relationship will last long or have the longevity, or if you are the one for them whom they should marry. This they are not sure about, though they have emotions for you. Very strange. Okay, all right. Let's see any new person who's coming towards you. Any new person who's coming towards you. What will be their energy like towards you, Capricorn, for the month of Jan? For the month of Jan, any new person who's coming towards you, what will be their energy like? What will be their energy like for you for the month of Jan? Let's see. What will be their energy like for you for the month of Jan? Alright, Capricorn. So we have 7 of Wands and the 6 of Pentacles. So this person will be very defensive at first. I mean, they are not, they're defensive because they're scared of the imbalance. They're scared of the unequal give and take in the situation. They want it to be fair and equal, like reciprocal. Reciprocity should be there from both ends. That is what they believe in, and that is what they want. So if they don't get that, they will have issues. They will be a little defensive. So they will be defensive at first, but they're very in their mind. They may very much in their mind. They don't know how to react to certain things. They don't know how to behave on certain things, on certain issues. That is how they are. Why is the 7 of Wands here? Let's clarify it. Yes, because they're not sure if they should remain single or they should invest in you as a partner. They don't know this yet. Okay, they're defensive also. For some of you, I'm also getting that they're defensive because they're not sure if you will be very caring, nurturing towards them or not, or you'll remain independent, you will focus on them, or you won't care about them, you will be only about yourself. They're defensive. That's why. So they're holding back. They're not communicating much, and but this person will come towards you. They definitely like you. That's why they're coming towards you. But they want reciprocity in the situation. Okay. All right. So let's see what is the guidance for you in love. Alright, Capricorn, what is the guidance for you in love for the month of January? What is the guidance for you for January in love? Let's find out. Let's find out. Let's find out, Capricorn. So you need to basically integrate all the pros and cons, all the positives and the negatives about a situation before you finally make a decision. Okay, do not get into the do not get trapped into comparison of any sort. Do not feel insecure about yourself at any point, because your journey is different and it's not meant to be compared with anybody else. Everybody has their own unique journey. Everybody is learning along their path, along their along their whatever. I mean, they're just, everybody is learning along the journey, along their life's journey. So you don't have to compare yourself with anybody else or feel insecure about yourself, but you need to integrate the pros and cons, or integrate the positives and negatives about a situation before you make any decision. This is there for you. All right. All right. So we have this. Let's now check your career. All right. Alright, Capricorn, what is coming towards you in your career for the month of Jan? What is coming towards you in your career for the month of Jan? Let's see. What is coming towards you in your career for the month of Jan? Let's find out. What is coming towards you in your career for the month of Jan? Let's find out. So in your career, you have a toxic cycle that you're stuck in. Devil and the Two of Swords. You're a very toxic cycle that you're stuck in and cannot come out of it. You are just blocking yourself in that cycle. I mean, you are you are unable to figure the way out, basically. That's why you're in two minds. And also I see that a lot of negativity in your mind has captured you in some way. Either it might be real or illusion, we don't know. Why is the devil here? Let's clarify the devil. The Tower and the Ace of Cups. So this is basically to do with some new beginnings that you had in your career phase, wherein a tower moment struck. Okay, or maybe a tower moment struck and you had some sort of new beginnings, or maybe new beginnings took place and a tower moment happened. Take it how it fits into your situation, and this basically caused you to be in a toxic cycle wherein you weren't able to come out of any sort of negativity around you, negativity in your zone, negativity in your area. How is it? I mean, you are basically stuck in bad habits, or maybe you know that this is wrong, the pattern is not good, the method is not good, still you are continuously doing that. That is like being obsessed about something and continuously doing the wrong things, even though you are aware it's wrong, right? So that is what I see for you. What else do we have for you in your career for the month of Jan, Capricorn? Let's see. What else do we have for you in your career for the month of Jan? Let's see. Let's see. Let's find out. Okay, Page of Wands and the Two of Pentacles. Again, you are juggling. You have a new phase that is started or that is about to start in the month of Jan. But you will be juggling. I mean, you will be having two things, or maybe two things you will be doing at the same time. You will be having a lot of things on your plate, not just one thing that you will be doing. You will be multiply. You will be doing things. Uh, I mean, you will be doing multiple things at the same time. That is what I mean. Exploring all the possibilities. Again, this is okay as long as it serves you, but it's not okay if it starts burdening you, right? It's a new thing that you're beginning and you're learning, you're studying it deeply. What else do we have in your career? Anything important that Capricorn needs to know for the month of Jan? Again, it's a new thing and very bright, brilliant opportunities. Some news, positive news is coming towards you related to some sort of proposal is going to come towards you in the month of Jan. Some sort of new beginning, some sort of new proposal, some sort of new project, some sort of new opportunity, a job offer for most of you. It is coming towards you after a lot of study and hard work. After a lot of, you know, putting in the effort, a lot of efforts, you are finally getting it. Now we'll see what is the guidance for you, Capricorn, for the month of Jan. What is the guidance for you for the month of Jan? Let's see. What is the guidance for you for the month of Jan? Capricorn, what is the guidance for you for the month of Jan in your career? What is the guidance for you in the month of Jan for your career? Okay, schizophrenia, you need to come out of this two minds thing. You are always in two minds, always stuck into in a limbo. That is, you are always in two minds. You don't know whether this way is right or this way is right. Whether this we should go this way or whether you should go this way. You're always confused. You need to come out of that and take a decision finally. Okay, you need to decide one path no matter what. You cannot keep faking it. You cannot keep showing to the world, oh, you are okay, you don't care, even if you are indecisive or it's going cool. No, it is going to hamper you only in some way, and you need to stop manipulating yourself into doing that. It's hampering you only, nobody else. So you need to decide once and for all what you need to do. Got it? So that is what I have for you, Capricorn. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Let me know in the comments below. I will see you soon in the next reading. It was a pleasure connecting with you like always, and I love you all. Thank you. Namaste.